Hi guys, welcome back to Kitty Toys Fun Club. Today we're going to open this frozen basketball. Let's open it. These are the instructions in the back. How it's assembled. Let's assemble. I'm following the directions. So put this one, and I will install the bracket. There you are. The first direction. Install the back one. Okay. Install the basketball ring. These are the basketball ring. Install it. Oh, nice. So the last is playing games now. Let's play the games. She had some tribbles. Oh. Okay. Yay! I got some 1 point. Oh. Try it again. I'm fighting some ball because she's so bouncy. I didn't know how to play this game, so let's try. Okay, then let's try. Well guys, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Bye! Bye guys!